Nakuha ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang commitment ng Germany sa proteksyon sa karapatan ng mga Pilipino sa West Philippine Sea. Sa joint press conference kasama ang Pangulo, binigyang diin ni German Chancellor Olaf Scholz ang pagkilala sa international law, partikular sa mga batas na gumagabay sa international navigation gaya ng United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea o UNCLOS. Sabi ni Scholz, mahalagang igalang ng bawat isa ang umiiral na mga batas, kaya naman suportado nito ang Pilipinas sa pagtiyak na napoprotektahan ang mga karapatan nito.
We have the UN Convention on the Law of the Seas. We've got an arbitral tribunal which happens to have its seat in my hometown Hamburg, that is, and important judgments have been passed over the course of the year. I believe it to be very important that each and everyone adheres to the legislation in place. We've talked about this today, as I said, and I made it clear that we support the Philippines in ensuring that the rights are being protected.
Sa panig ni Pangulong Marcos, sinabi nitong hindi ibinabasura ng Pilipinas ang proposals ng China. Iginiit ng presidente na hindi kinikilala ng sinumang bansa, lalo na ang Pilipinas, ang 10-dash line na ginagamit na basihan ng China sa kanilang teritoryo.
Our baselines have been well established for years now. We have the economic zone that China has already intruded upon. And until that premise that China has made in terms of all its discussions with the Philippines, then it's very difficult to see a way forward.
Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Lef Narciso. Sama-sama tayo, Pilipino.